Hello everyone, this is my output. So you see it in the ETNS or something this way. I created and then um, so first the rules and the features, and then I create this one, and then I go to tools. So I go to Active Directory and I create this one. So IT admin, domain controller, student, staff and management. So you see it. So I create all the assignment